How to unhide apps on iOS 17. So first and foremost, you have to go here to your settings. Let's just go back here and go to your general and go to your software update and make sure that you have updated it to iOS 17. Now, if you're done updating your application, what we're going to do next to unhide the app is first, of course, to hide the application. For example, this is the application that you just hide. So let's just remove the application, remove from home screen. And as you can see, you won't be able to see that application here because we just hide it. Now, to be able to unhide the application is you have to go to your app library here, basically all your applications, and all you have to do is to just scroll up to down, just like this. And then here you'll see the list of your applications. So you have to look for the application that you just hide or just removed from your home page. So as you can see, this is the application that we just removed. So to be able to unhide the application, all you have to do is to long press that application and just move it here and basically place it anywhere you want it to be. So let's just put it here. I want it to put here. And as you can see, we have now successfully unhide the apps on iOS 17, and that's it. That is how you unhide apps on iOS 17. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.